is the most common and fundamental sensor standard used in our automatic street light systems.
First నుంచి
Automatic street light use light depending sensors appear detect and light switch the off down in part